So we need to consider how reflective practice can be operationalized. How can reflection be used for practice? To do this, we need to consider the key principles of reflective practice. Firstly, what we need to understand is that reflective practice is problem-oriented, or in other words, it is about problem posing as well as problem solving. Another principle of reflective practice is that it is based on action research. Action research is a very powerful tool for change and improvement based on a cyclical process of thinking, planning and doing. Reflective practice ensures that teaching and learning are research-led. And also, reflective practice is data-driven. This means that there is ownership by the teacher of the data which is central to the teacher's professional development. So, if reflection is thinking, how is the thinking done? How is the reflective process engaged with? It's important to consider how the thinking is done, the actual cognitive processes involved, and also to consider why it has occurred and why it involves the stimulus as well as the learning and changes, the outcomes that occur. Hatton and Smith say that 3 specific types of reflection are important for the teacher. Firstly, technical rationality. This is essentially the practical skills that the teacher brings to teaching the students. It is the behaviours and the attitudes, the beliefs that the teacher has about learning that impacts on their teaching in the classroom. Another type of reflection is also reflection on action. This involves description and justification. It is dialogic, or in other words, a discussion. It is explorative and also engages multiple perspectives and factors. Reflection on action happens after teaching. Another type of reflection is also reflection in action. This is the teacher's thinking in the moment, thinking which occurs in the second by second, the minute by minute teaching that occurs between the interactions between the teacher and the student in the classroom. So there are 3 types of critical thinking, 3 types of reflection: rationality, reflection on action, and reflection in action.